Okay, just going to run through a screencast with you to help you be able to use your blog. Now the first thing you need to do is type in Montblogs into the address bar of your browser, montblogs.com, and enter. Take you to the front page where you can log in. Now there's a number of things available on this front page, as I pointed out before in class. There's your email, there's my blog, there's email there, there's my blog there, there's a link to your tutor there, there's a link to Mathletics there, and there's a link to Maths Online. Maths Online is only available to Year 11s at this stage. So let's log in with a username and a password. Passwords come up there automatically because I have entered this password before. So I've got a username. That in there you would put your username and you would put your password there and click on login. Now you'll get welcome back, and then you'll have your username there. You've got your author homepage, which will take you to the front page of your blog, and if you click on your username, it'll take you to the back of your blog. So if we click on author homepage for a second and see that this goes to the front of this person's blog, there you go. Now down the front of the blog you see writing prompts that I provided over the last week. This person hasn't done any posts yet, and there's a comment from me there. And down the bottom, there's under the meta tag is where you can log in, log out, and there's other things you can do there as well. And down the bottom, there's a calculator. Now, back to the front page here. Now we're going to go into the back of your blog. And it's loading the back end of this person's blog. Right, now there's a number of things you can do in here, and as you become comfortable with it, you'll get to find your way around easily and change things around to suit yourself. But to start with, we're going over here to posts, clicking on posts. Click on the arrow and I'll show you that again. Click on the arrow and it scrolls down, unfolds, folds up again. Okay, so we want to add a new post. Now, up the top here of the blog, there's some messages from me. A question: having trouble with your maths, and there's a link to your tutor there. Not sure what to write about in your blog, and I remind you that I provide for you writing prompts, and there's some clues there about what to do if you're having trouble with your blog, so that if it's not working properly, some of the things that you can do at your end to get moving again. Okay, so underneath these messages that I have for you here is the title bar, and I'm going to type in, this is a demonstration post. Now that's the title, and just checking that I've spelt it all correctly. And this is a demonstration post. Now where I'm typing now is where you type the body of your post. Here is where you type the body of your post. A post is just an entry in your learning journal. The blog is your learning journal. Now, a couple of other things you want to do before you publish your post. So you've got the title up here. We've got the body of the post here. Now you'll see here, where I'm just running my cursor across, a number of buttons, editing buttons, to help you with creating your posts. And you'll see there YouTube. You can add in a YouTube video if you want. And this little button over here, where it says show hide, the kitchen sink, is everything that's there. And of course there's a whole lot more that I could have put there for you, but I've just put there what I thought you might find useful. Now, over here is where you can save your draft. Over here on this side of the page, you can preview what it will look like. Now down here is where your publish button, but I'm just going to come down here first and show you the categories box. Now this is where you either choose one of the tags that I've already added into the system, or you can add a new category, and I'll add a new category here, a demonstration. Let me go back and spell that properly. It's demonstration, and I'm going to add that category, and when I do, it comes up as ticked. So I've ticked the demonstration category. I'd like you to choose one of those categories or to add your own category. Try to pick things, general words, that you'll be able to add several posts to. Otherwise, you'll end up with as many categories as you have posts. The idea is the categories will group your posts together for you into groups that you can go back and have a look at. Alright, now down the bottom here are some things that you might like to have a look at later. Back up to the main part of the blog post. Again, we have the title, again we have the body of the post and the editing tools there. Now I'm going to go over to the publish button and click publish. And it is published. Now I can choose to go up here to choose to visit the site, or I can choose to view the post here, and there we go. This is a demonstration post, etc., etc., on the front page of the blog. So that's how it works. That's how you make a blog post.